Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to create a payment form page in systeme.io step by step. If you're selling products or services online, having a clean and functional payment page is essential. This guide will help you set everything up properly so you can start accepting payments without any confusion. Before we begin, make sure you already have a systeme.io account and an active sales funnel created. This is important because your payment page will be added inside that funnel. Taking a moment to confirm this will help you follow along smoothly. Once you're ready, open the sales funnel where you want to add your payment page. On the left-hand side, look for the Create Step option, usually marked with a plus icon. Click on it, and from the available options, choose Order Form. This step is specifically designed for handling payments, making it the correct choice for this setup.
After creating the step, the next step is to select a template. Systeme.io provides a variety of pre-designed templates to choose from. Take a moment to browse through them and pick one that matches your brand or the type of product you're offering. Once selected, your order form page will be created, and you'll gain access to different sections like settings, automation rules, and the page editor. Now, click on Edit Page to customize your payment form. Inside the editor, you can adjust the layout, design, and overall structure of the page to match your needs. This is where you also configure your payment options and define what you're selling. At this stage, you'll need to choose the type of offer you're creating. If you're selling a digital product, you'll connect it to a resource, such as a course, a bundle, or access to a private community. You can also assign tags to customers after purchase to help organize them within your system.
If you're selling a physical product, simply select the item from your product list within systeme.io. This allows you to link the product directly to your payment form so customers can complete their purchase easily. Take some time to explore the available settings and customization options. Adjust the page to fit your branding, ensure everything is clear for your customers, and make the checkout process as smooth as possible. And that's it. You've successfully created a payment form page in systeme.io. With everything set up, you're now ready to start accepting payments and providing a seamless checkout experience for your customers. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or want to see more systeme.io tutorials, drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides. I'll see you in the next video.